Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking on yet another one of our videos. So in today's episode, what we're going to be working on is a Cybertruck. Yes, that is right. Our first Cybertruck coming into the shop with us. So super excited to work on this one. This one's getting wrapped, of course, to keep all the fingerprints away, so on and so forth. But we're going to be wrapping it in XPEL Stealth. So this is a Cyber Beast. So there you go. This is the tri-motor one, the top of the line, all the bells and whistles, and we're gonna protect it. So that'll help, like I said, with fingerprints, and we're gonna keep the finish of the truck. So you can always wrap it in a different color, but if you're looking to keep that stainless steel look, so you wanna keep this finish, but matte it down just a little bit, you can go with XPEL Stealth. So that will change the finish from a somewhat shiny to a little bit more matted down stealth, but you will still see the grain. You'll still see, you know, your Cyber Beast logo, the foundation logos on the door. They will show through. And you'll get the benefits of, 10-year warranty against yellowing, staining, and discolorations. Easy to clean. You can always top it off with a ceramic coating that'll make it even better and even easier to keep clean. So this is exactly what we're going to be doing to the Cybertruck here. So XPEL Stealth PPF, and we're going to toss on XPEL Fusion ceramic coating. So without further ado, we're going to wash the truck, get it prepped, clay barred, cleaned up. Put it in the bay right over here where the Toyota Supra is that just received a full front PPF installation, and get cracking. So hopefully we can knock this out in about a couple days. Pretty flat, but our first one, so we're gonna pull the fender flares off. Anyways, we're just gonna jump right into it. You excited to wrap this one?
It's going to be a little challenging with how flat the panels are.
Oh man. Better not leave any bubbles behind.
I know.
So we got the Cybertruck started. The front end is pretty much all done. The fenders are all done. We got the side plotted out. As you can see, that is a whole lot of film. That's a ton of film. So that's for the doors, the pillar, and then the rear fender, rear fork panel. We got this thing weeded out. We got Robert here from Sunshot. So he's doing some videos for us, or reels. Alright guys, so the truck is going very well. We pretty much got half of the vehicle already wrapped. So as you can see, I'll show you the difference between the areas wrapped in XPEL Stealth and the area that is not. So right here we have the back of the truck is still exposed. But then over here, as you can see, there's minimum reflections. So you can see right there, reflections. Here we don't have it, but you retain that stainless steel look that everybody's going crazy about. So this is one option that you can do with wrapping. As you can see, the Foundation Series decal or etching still stands out, so you'll get that same effect with the Cyber Beast logo right there. So as you can see, again, a little bit more sheen, a little bit of a reflection, and then with XPEL Stealth PPF, you completely essentially lose that.
start in the middle or kind of from the...
Okay, so we are finalizing the Tesla. Just gotta put the fender flares back in. Sebastian is cleaning up the windshield. This is the only way to clean a windshield on the Tesla Cybertruck. You gotta be standing up, using the reaching tool, the yellow one that's triangle, whatever you want to call it. There you go. That is a one giant windshield. I probably hate cleaning that. That must be so annoying. That's it. Easy as that. So applying the ceramic coating. First we prime the pad, and then start applying it to one panel at a time. The plastics will be covered in plastic coating by XPEL as well. So with the ceramic coating, it'll just make it a lot easier to keep clean. Water's going to come off of it. It'll be more stain resistant. Bugs will come off a lot easier. And prolong the life of paint protection film. Alright guys, so we got the Cybertruck all finished up and wrapped along with ceramic coating. So sitting right there behind me, I'll show you a little bit around. We'll do some B-roll of the vehicle. I'm very, very happy with how it turned out. I'm pretty sure the customer is gonna love it when he gets back and, from his vacation. But anyways, we're gonna throw the B-roll. Thank you for watching the video, and we'll see you in the next one. Take care.